Welcome to the Data Standards Body YouTube channel. I'm Neale Morison. I'm a technical writer with the DSB. The standards maintenance process facilitates the proposal of enhancements, corrections, or changes to the consumer data standards. Maintenance iterations run throughout the year, adjacent to the decision proposal consultations. To contribute to future maintenance iterations, request an invitation at contact@consumerDataStandards.gov.au. This video discusses the outcomes and actions of Maintenance Iteration 17, MI17. MI17 opened on 13th of September 2023 and ended on the 15th of November 2023. There were 5 working group meetings in that period. The consultation for MI17 is captured in Decision Proposal 328, DP 328. Meeting minutes are available as links from comments in DP 328. The outcomes and actions for MI17 discussed here appear in the minutes for the final November 15th working group meeting. They are listed according to category and sector. References described as issues refer to issues in the Consumer Data Standards Maintenance Repository. Decision proposals and other references are issues in the Consumer Data Standards Repository. See the video description for links. Issue 612, Maintenance Iteration 17 Holistic Feedback, has resulted in one change. Changes to GetMetrics error descriptions are proposed to align with V4 and V5 changes. Other items raised resulted in no changes or require further discussion. In the banking sector, a candidate standard is recommended. Issue 593 has resulted in a candidate standard proposed in DP 306, Updates to Banking Product and Account Detail. The proposed standards from DP 306 appeared as candidate standards in Consumer Data Standards version 1.28.0. In the energy sector, proposals included a new property and a change in time format. Issue 587 proposes adding a new property measure unit to the Energy Bill Demand Transaction V2 schema. The measure unit property has a value of either kVA, kilovolt amperes, or kW, kilowatts. This accommodates customers charged in kilowatts for demand tariffs. Issue 613 proposes adopting ISO 8601 for the Energy Plan Data Time format. This provides some flexibility in representing time and accommodates both the HHMM format and specifying time with a UTC, Coordinated Universal Time, offset. A change in the Registration Properties schema is proposed. Issue 620 proposes that the following registration properties fields previously specified as optional should be specified as conditional. Authorization Signed Response Alg, Authorization Encrypted Response Alg. This is a non-breaking change. In the documentation category, an example change is proposed. Issue 288 proposes a change to a non-normative example in the Consumer Data Standards. The change indicates that redirect URI is a mandatory field in the token request. This is a non-breaking change. That concludes the changes recommended in Maintenance Iteration 17. Other issues were carried over into MI18 or were discussed, but no associated change was proposed. For full details of these changes, refer to the MI17 15th November 2023 minutes and the linked issues. These and other changes may be included in the next release of the Consumer Data Standards version 1.29.0. Subscribe to the DSB YouTube channel for the latest updates to the DSB video offerings. Thank you for participating in the Consumer Data Standards.